And welcome back to Flexible Games, where we are playing Automation Empire. And we're so close. Look at that 3-month record, 21,000. We're so close to hitting that magic 22. I feel like it wouldn't take much to push us over that edge. So, looking around, I basically shut down capacitors here because research, once I collect all this, woo! All right, so we have the 5 million for the rocket. We have that. We have a little bit of extra in case we need like more of these. I'm not really sure. I mean, if we need more research, I'm fine with that. Well, that's shut something down. All the things shutting down. Okay, let's try to wire these back up again. No, I want to connect to that one. Not sure what that sound effect was, but I'm not seeing any bad electricity icons, so I think I'm good. Okay, if we go in here, we can finally get rid of this and this and all of this. So we are delivering iron over here, and we're not using it anymore. So there's quite a bit of iron production back here that we could use. We're going to pause. We're going to take you away. So I could load trucks or maybe another train. I might be able to squeeze a train in through here. I'm not sure. Let's open this up. Get in here. So the gold fuel, I ended up shutting this down and moving, instead of these having the gold that this is producing, I have it just loading into the same train that's going down to gold fuel. And that ramped up gold fuel enough to where it was actually producing. So, yay. So now we have some more possible production space in here for something. I don't know what, but something. You know, if we look at our kilograms here, you know, gold will get us 10, pretty much all the ores give us 10 kilograms. Carbon, I think, is just reprocessed. Yeah, it's just reprocessed coal. We have tons of coal. Like, if we go over here, we have tons of coal ready to rock and roll. So part of me is thinking, you know, gold fuel is great and all, but we're not using nearly all that coal for gold fuel. So coal, iron are two items that we could load in. Now, adding a train into here is kind of iffy. Can we... Oh, they're not in proximity. Oh, man. If only. So the problem is trains don't have multiple levels. So if we take like this iron ore here, this is a nice and efficient loading system. If we're going to do a train, we'd have to take this out. What were you? You were the iron. We're going to take you down to the bare minimum there. Because what we would have to do is something like this. Let's get the minimum arc. Get you there. Now, you could come down right here. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put this there and then delete that. Because I don't want a train to spawn while I'm doing this. That would be a bad day. So we can arc that over like that. Now, what we'd have to do is go this, like this. And this might not work. It would. That power pole is sort of in the way though. Mr. Power Pole. Oh yeah, all of the shutdown noises. I wish when you copied an elevated thing, it would copy the height. That would be nice. So if the developer is watching, which, you know, let's face it, he's not, but that would be a nice feature. So there that is. Now let's no. I wanted you to connect. Like though. There we go. How about that? No missing icons. Good. So in the end, we would need to put an exit for the train, like back in here somewhere. Let's sort out the track here. Exit. Okay. So we can load this thing up with coal and iron if we so chose. So let's get the minimum distance we would need for like a tank, because there's, you know, it's hard to tell where we can build and where we can't. So let's do one of these. This is just okay. So I'm thinking right here. Let's test that. There. Pulley tube. Let's offset it there. And let's see if we can get a minecart in there. We can, like so. We're going to want that elevated most of that way. Okay, so the other one is coal. Now, that one's going to be a little trickier. It's way down here. Where could we load this coal instead of right here? Can we, oh no, I want to copy that. Sneak her around the edge here. Ooh, could do that. Because I want to use this coal line for loading the train up here. So it's something we haven't tried before, loading the train with two different materials. Is it possible? We're going to find out. So we're going to go down like this. And this has got to come... Well, if we elevate... Can we elevate this? That is going to be tricky. Well, we don't need any of... Let's get back to square one here. So I can plan this out. Because we can load it over here, possibly, maybe. Maybe. I'm not sure. Not 100% sure about that just yet. Obviously, we can't go any further in here. So maybe we load... Okay. I think I have an idea. No, I don't want... I wanted to click this. Okay. We go straight across here, right? Well, what's our elevation things look like? I don't think, if we put one of these here, I don't think we can cut across like that. Could we zigzag over, though? We could. That's a thing we could do. Can we zigzag the other way down? No. Can we not? Ooh, yeah, see, that does not like that at all. Okay, so that's a no-go. So we know this line needs some supply of some kind. The only issue that I'm running into is being able to, so that needs to go there. That can come out there. Can I? Ooh, I can. Ooh. Now I doubt I have enough room, though most definitely not. So we're gonna have to go on the lower level on this one, and then shrink him down as soon as, like, the absolute latest we can. And then put another door like that. Now we have a route possible. I want to take this. Oh yeah, let's go there. Can we? Oh, I need some leeway. I need some buffer space in here, and I need some buffer space in here. Those just happen to be right in the center of those. So if I need more, I can just build a door and then extend those. So that's not a big deal. Now, okay, iron over here. Okay, let's go iron, go under this one. How efficient is that, huh? And then coming across here and bringing her down. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get the barest minimum. Just because we travel faster when we're elevated, I want to have that travel faster as long as possible. Okay, now this one over here, come across, and we're gonna sidle right up to the edge of that. So this is the coal coming in, right? Let's get you and circle you around like that. So the other one, I mean, we're gonna need, we're gonna need some elevation and some buffer. No, I didn't want to click the thing. I wanted to, there we go. Okay, now if we might be able to use the longer transfer tube this time around. So if we take this and we put it here, 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 and a pulley tube. Let's do it on the other side, just to give ourselves a little bit more wiggle room in here. Okay, we're gonna have to go down a little sooner because we're gonna need even sooner than that. Because we need to, jog it over. Like so. You could actually do that, build this backwards. That should have been what I did in the first place. Like so. And then we can take this, do that, Elevate it again and give ourselves some buffer space. So when this thing runs out, if this runs out, this will pick it up. So we can put this can be a long train, right? It can be a long train because we have two different products going in here. We can have extendomatics. So there we go. And now for the actual train, let's get you started. What time of the month is it? We're right about the end of the month. So yeah, it's gonna be difficult. And now let's get some wagons going here. So we're gonna need some more buffer space here. Because I'm gonna extendomatic this thing. So let's do add at least 20. You know, 20 wagons. That will be 80, which will be both of these in one trip, which, you know, obviously we don't have the production for that. I just need to get a little bit of extra production out of this thing. So this should be 16 carts already. This guy, I want to add him onto this end. Okay, let's unpause. Obviously, we are going to need some more buffer space on the back of here. Yes, I could elevate that, but it's going to be slow anyway, so no real reason to. Oh, hello. And I could connect water up to these. Let's do that for no real reason other than to do it. And how about over here? Let's go uppity tube, downity tube. There. Excellent. Okay, this buffer is a little too much, but it's fine. It's fine. We're doing fine. Yeah, this is a lot of coal. I mean, the biggest issue is the length of these runs. It's not really conducive to high throughput, but I'm just trying to push us over that 22,000 mark, so we can get a rocket going. That's the whole thing. Is I want a rocket. Okay, how many wagons? Ooh, there's a lot of wagons on here. Excellent. All right, we have another iron coming in. We may just be able to fill this train with iron. We had so much iron in the backlog. And these trains just take forever to fill up. I mean, they're just these longer trains. Oh, it's brutal. So we're at 16, and then we have a gold train about to go through. That should get us to about 19 or so. It's about 240 per car. Yeah, 19. And we have, okay, this train is still oh, he's got a while to go. He must have just left. So we have this guy, there's the gold fuel. But we have a whole, I mean, this, I don't even know how many wagons this is. 1, 2. So each one of these is going to be 160 more kilograms. So this train is huge. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's hard to count when they're all hidden like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. I think 16 wagons is the max. I want to say it is. Because even though I have a ton of these things, I still only have 16. Even on this other run, where we have a ton of them. So let me know. Like this one is 16 as well. So this 3 month at 14,000, that is a high. I have not seen it. I've seen it up to 12, like 12.5 or so, but not up to that high. And we're gonna have the steel train, the gold train, the fuel train, the ethanol train, and our new and improved iron ore and coal train. Now we're not really running out of iron right now because we had a whole lot of iron back here. So it won't be moving coal as yet, but we should. Oh, we should be close. I wish there was a way to fast forward stuff. Like there's just pause. There's no like super speed. Super speederize it. And I've noticed if you have a super long train and as they leave, so if the train is really long and you have the load station like right near the exit, as they leave, you get the materials. So depending on how you want to time it, either the whole train goes through and gets all counted all in one shot, or gets, you know, trickled in. I would imagine there are benefits to either method. I would imagine there are, but right now I'm just so locked on space that I can't really think about that. Okay, so the steel train is just about through. It does give a nice big boost once they're all full and they all go through. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, this guy is going to fill that whole train up with iron. And I did discover that if the silo does not have 16 in it, the wagon will not stop there. So if it had like 4, let's say, the wagon will just keep on going and it'll fill up somewhere else, which is why I wanted to try a setup like this. All right, so we're sitting at 19.7 and we still have the gold train to go through. And it may, it's gonna be tight. Okay, the ethanol train definitely won't finish. These trains would just, you know, fill a little faster. I wish there was like a Mark II version of these silos. Nobody has indicated to me that having multiple deliver is any benefit at all. So hopefully he fills and exits and we get to 22. Fingers are crossed. Are your fingers crossed? Your fingers better be crossed. Here we go. Come on, baby. Yes! We did it! Unlock. Rocket. Silo. Cargo rocket. Oh yeah. Now, where is that under? Rocket. Serves as a landing and launch pad for freight rockets. Receives crates. Okay, they require crates and loads them into the currently stationed rocket. Once the rocket is full, it ships off with the crates to be sold in the galactic market. 45% weight and revenue bonus. Wirelessly uses 1,000 power per month. My guess is, see the little box? You're going to need all of these in one location. I just want to place one. I want to see it. So there's the input right there. Apparently that is where the loading is. Can we rotate? We can rotate. Good. Yay. So pad contents, rocket content. So it can haul 50 crates. That's it? 50 crates, huh? Okay. 50 crates. We can do stuff with that, I guess. What I might want to do. What do I want to ship with this thing? I'm not sure what the turnover is. These crates via loading station. So we need to push crates into there, right? So we need to use load station, right? Like this, right? Right. Okay, so that tells me grabby hands is probably going to be our best bet for this. Beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Another few trains. We're gonna shatter this record this month. Although this train won't finish in time, that's for sure. Gold train won't. There goes the steel train. And oh, the ethanol train is way back here. Yeah, there it is. Gold fuel will probably finish. It's got 2 left. So weight and that benefit, I think, should we go for ionized capacitors? I think I might want to do that. Maybe use this little area here. Because this was capacitors, and I might want to beef up gold production. Why are these not operating? Ah, I see what happened here. Yeah, I see what happened here. This one isn't being used. Okay. That's fine. Seeing what my balance of gold for gold fuel is tells me that this one here, instead of being here, I'm going to empty that out. So gold needs 3 of these. So one of these is available for capacitors. I think I want to make capacitors up here. Yeah, we're going to be using this iron. It'll be gone. It'll be for a good use. That'll help drain a little coal, because the sheer amount of coal is crazy over here. How's my oil doing? I haven't looked at this. These are starting to hurt a little bit. I might need to bring some oil in from way over here. We got this whole area that we could use to build stuff. I'm not sure how this gold is just not enough. See, we're gonna need to beef up. Now that we've got everything unlocked, what I might do is just completely overhaul this whole system. Because, you know, if we move to gold plates and ionized capacitors, that will be a really efficient use of our resources. But that will be for another day. Whew. Accomplished quite a bit today. We got our first rocket, and yeah, I wanna wait before we launch it. I want some good stuff in there. And of course, as far as the market goes, like mega fuel would be the best, but that is ethanol and gold. Well, we could do that. Mega fuel. What's the killer? Oh yeah, that's okay. It's decided. That's what we're gonna do. The gold fuel is great and all. Ooh, let's shut this thing down. Yeah, we're gonna turn this off. Remove all of the things. Ethanol. Well, we're producing so much of it right now that I'm not gonna worry too much. But, you know, if we get this other row in here, we're definitely going to need that other oil. That's a guarantee. We're going to need that. So we're going to need a location for another factory. I think right in here is probably our best bet. I'm going to have to reorganize a little bit of this. What are these wires? Okay, so this is the gold supply. I might move these off so they're out of the way. Maybe that's a good idea. Whoa. Can I? Well, I'll tinker about with the design, and the next time we come back, maybe I'll have a nice big area over here that we can cover. All right. Well, that is going to do it for this episode, and I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.